Alright guys, this is our third hot water heater of the day. We're actually draining out the hot water heater. This one should be a little bit easier. We got space. So far so good. So we're actually gonna drain out the unit, disconnect the hot water from water supply, disconnect the gas, and we got the guns with the muscles. So we got the camera boy behind the lens, and we got Tony. So got plenty of muscle. Hold this bitch out and just get this shit done because we wanna go home. Is it right here? It's the new baby. I just feel like a storm is coming in. And boy, I love this weather because it's not hot, it's not cold, it's just perfect weather. It's like natural air conditioning. So I'm enjoying the weather, but it's gonna suck later because it's gonna downpour. It is what it is. Unfortunately, storms do suck for a lot of people, but they do create jobs, so it's a double-edged sword. It's good and bad. But for us, it happens to be a good thing because it created jobs, gives us a job, and gives everybody a job. So at least in the company, because we all know we need jobs to pay the bills. Can't be part of the job because no money, no honey. Remember that. And that's how the job gets done. The muscle, the guns. Yeah, we're wrapping it up. Long day, guys, long day. This is what it is, putting these hours, long hours. But somebody got to do it. And you know what, it's that time of the year. This is what I signed up for. This is what I like, this is what I strive for. And this is what I wake up in the morning to get ready to do all day long. So good. I much rather have a job than not have a job, and nevertheless a trade. I have a trade and we're an essential worker, and this is what it's about. So can't complain. There's people out there complaining about jobs. I sure can't complain about that. Bro, come on. Right now we're about to put another ball valve because we don't have a coupling. It's kind of tight. So right now the reason why we're doing what we're doing is to make sure that while we're working, we don't get soaked and drenched. And of course, more importantly, there's no water on the floor or causing a mess. So that's really the reason why. We could put a coupling and a piece of nipple, but it's very tight. It just makes more sense to cut out that old ball valve and put a new one. And we'll put the ball valve a little higher, so we have enough room to put the next fitting. Big thanks to Milwaukee, because without that tool, we'll be here probably another hour or two trying to solder. So this makes life a lot easier. So if you guys don't have a Pro Press machine, I suggest you buy yourself one or make that investment, especially if you're in the plumbing and heating air conditioning business, because it definitely makes life a lot easier. And the faster you get the job done, the faster you make money. This right here, some people call it a mushroom, but the actual right name for this piece is called a diverter. What does that diverter do? It just diverts air inside here, so you need air in order to go through the chimney. So you need oxygen. So that's the reason why we have a diverter. We have a diverter here, air allows air to go inside here. And then of course we're gonna put an elbow here and connect to the flue pipe. And that's the connection for the hot water heater. that's all she wrote. It's the last screw. It's the last part of the puzzle. That's it. We're pretty much done. We're about to turn on the pilot right now. Just make it short. There you go. All right, guys. We just finally just lit the pilot. It's officially a wrap. We're about to turn her on right now. And then now it's cleanup. And of course, the best part of the job is